Oh, are you feeling that force? I'm feeling it. What is that? Is it up there? Here? No. That's the wrong type of force. Silly. It's Salesforce. One of the companies that I really like, and I think it has some upward potential. Welcome to Ticker Symbol Tuesday, where I'm going to tell you about stocks that I think have upward potential. Today we're going to be talking about Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. Wait, what? Why is it CRM? Well, Customer Relationship Management. Salesforce specializes in customer relationship management. They have a whole bunch of businesses, and they all combine together. It leverages the cloud, AI, data analytics, so that the business that's using Salesforce service can increase their revenue. So fact is, a bunch of businesses and companies have been forced to digitize, and it's very important. Salesforce right now is building their business off of online advertising, AI, the cloud, and Salesforce helps small businesses and large businesses build better customer management relationships. Many restaurants were forced to digitize, and for a fact, that means that they needed their business to have online ordering and online everything. Salesforce helps businesses digitize through the cloud. And then they take all of the data from the customers and they use AI to help that business improve their business, to generate even more sales, which is a foolproof method. It's a fact that AI is a rapidly growing market. And it's a fact that many big businesses like Facebook and Google have built a lot of their revenue off of advertising. The fact is that with many businesses being forced to digitize, it is almost guaranteed that more people will be paying to use Salesforce's service. The power of data analytics is amplified because so many variables are changing at once right now. And being able to recognize new changes and trends is super important. Now, a couple other metrics we can look at is the stock price. Salesforce stock is around $176 right now per share, which is not a super expensive stock like Amazon or Berkshire Hathaway, but it's also not a super cheap stock like Nokia. This is in May 2020. Other data analytic companies like Splunk and Datadog both went up after earnings. Datadog had to blow away earnings, and Splunk underperformed in its earnings, but it got upgrades and higher target prices from some of the banks because they liked what they were saying in the earnings call. Earnings for Salesforce are happening on May 28th. Currently, there is a decent-sized population predicting that Salesforce will miss their earnings, and there's another population that's predicting that they're going to beat their earnings. The fact is that Salesforce stock has not recovered from its highs before the crash in February. While Splunk and Datadog have recovered, and many other technology companies such as Amazon and Google have recovered from the crash, Salesforce is still around $20 below its highs. And with many things that are going to push more business towards it, it makes sense that in the event that earnings continue to grow, Salesforce will go past the highs it was at in February. Analysts have a median target price for Salesforce around $200 versus the current price of around $176, meaning that it could be a low-risk buy. Unlike stores like Macy's, it's unlikely Salesforce will become an irrelevant force in the future. In an article I found online, it said that less than 5% of the data that is on the internet and everywhere is being analyzed, meaning that there is a huge potential growth for data analytics. Another online article says that the cloud computing market is growing at a rate of 12.6% per year. And the last thing that's important is the fact that AI usage is growing at a whopping rate of 156% per year. Yes, you heard that correctly, 156% per year. All of these statistics combined means that Salesforce is likely to see growth that may outpace index funds such as the S&P 500 or Dow Jones Industrial Average. And lastly, I will conclude the video with one fun fact, and that is Marc Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, was ranked number 6 as one of the most innovative CEOs, or the most innovative people in the world. And the people on that list own some of the most innovative companies that are pushing technology to its limits, like Amazon, Tesla, and Facebook. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, comment down below and tell me what stock you want me to analyze for next Ticker Symbol Tuesday. I make weekly videos to help you better understand the stock market. If you want to learn more about the stock market, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, feel free to share the video with other people who you think would enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and peace. If you haven't done it already, click the subscribe button right here.